Avocado chicken wrap. Ingredients: 2 wholemeal tortillas, 200 g cooked and shredded chicken breast, 1 ripe avocado, 1/2 red onion, sliced, 1 medium tomato, chopped, 1 lemon juice, lettuce or arugula leaves, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a bowl, mash the avocado until you get a puree consistency. Add the lemon juice and season with salt and pepper to taste. Reserve. Warm the tortillas lightly in a skillet or microwave to make rolling easier. Spread a generous portion of the avocado puree on each tortilla. Distribute the shredded chicken, sliced onion, chopped tomato, and lettuce or arugula leaves equally over the tortillas. Roll the tortillas tightly, closing the ends to prevent the filling from escaping. Cut the wraps in half and serve immediately. You can accompany this healthy snack with a colorful salad, raw vegetables, or a natural juice. It's a quick, nutritious, and tasty option for the afternoon. Enjoy your snack.